Hey everybody, how's it going? I know, another radio video. This is General Electric alarm clock radio model number 7-4815A. I'll turn the volume all the way down, but you got your single speaker on, off. You can wake up to music or to an alarm. You can set your time with these buttons. I'll fix that before I leave. You get your snooze, and you can set your alarm time. This is your tuning knob, this is your volume knob, this is your dial, AM, FM. Your AM, FM switch is in the back here. Oops. You can put a 9-volt in there for battery backup. This is actually pretty old, a pretty old alarm clock. I had one of these brand new. I want to say I was, oh boy, it was over 20 years ago that I had one. Got it brand new, I think at Walmart. I think I was in first grade. I used to get pissed because no matter what I would set the alarm for, my mom would come in and wake me up before the alarm goes off. So, yeah. But anyway, this old-ass alarm clock is actually in a hotel room that I stayed in last night. I'm getting ready to leave, but I figured I would make a quick video about this here alarm clock. Yeah, I mean, it's actually so old, I kind of wonder if it actually belongs here, or if somebody brought it with them and just left it. I don't know. But anyway, that's all there is. That's all I'm gonna say about this GE alarm clock, General Electric. Not sure what they were calling themselves back then. It was just GE or General Electric, but anywho, red display. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have them. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.